So I gave in and started watching this video by Berg, and he references someone else, another YouTuber. I apologize, I don't know him. But he recommended buttered chicken, which is high fat, low carb chicken dish. So right now we're in the process of getting it the first initial 3 minutes. Okay, now I have to flip it over, but it looks really nice. We're about to put the butter on there, just like he was saying in the video. It's gonna be really good buttered chicken. And this is my first time doing this. I figured I would just kind of try it out because I'll probably look at other keto dishes over time and see how they are. But I'm just gonna flip them over. And can you rewind it again? We're trying to follow this recipe kind of like to the T because, you know. There we go. The Maillard reaction. Yeah, so then now next step is to put the butter on after cooking. He said it's food porn. Oh yeah! Now I'm going to put the butter on there. So just let it melt on there. So put as much, all this high fat. I'm just kidding. It's kind of high fat, yes. All that good butter. We want some butter. Yeah, baby. Just let it melt. He said 50 grams of butter. I don't know how much I'm putting. I'm just smothering it. Yeah, baby. Probably just mix this because this is kind of a high concentration. And then put the puree on there, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, and then we're using heavy cream for this as well. It's part of the recipe. So we put the puree together. Puree. We used a magic bullet. Quite a bit of tomatoes. So it's kind of done. And does that mean you just put everything on there?
That's the butter melted?
Yeah. Just put everything on there, right?
Yep. So give it a good mix.
Oh, before putting it on? Good attention to detail.
Can you put it on there?
Yeah. He said don't waste anything, but I'm not going to follow what he says to a T. Not that much. Okay, and then he said a good 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, cover it and then let it sit for a good 10 minutes.
Still in the same heat?
I think so.
Okay, we're going to wrap this. It's going to be 10 minutes later. All right, it's been 10 minutes. We're going to mix this up. And put heavy cream in. After mixing it up, we're gonna put some heavy cream. Okay. And we have to turn it off, right?
Nope. He said only when you live in India.
Really? Okay. And mix it up more. Now that's a keto meal. High fat, low carb. But the chicken is lean, so hopefully the chicken is good because remember it was frozen. You think that's it cooked enough or
He'll know.
what?
He'll know.
Yeah. Well, let me get a piece of it before. I probably should have. Mm-hmm. Mm. Now we're going to garnish it with coriander or cilantro. And voila! Bon appetit. Alright, so here's the final product. I'm about to take the first bite. Not bad.